A, a sprawling forest, lush and vibrant, with trees that seem to touch the sky. Now, a magnificent castle rising right in the middle of it all. Today, we are diving into an epic, educational, creative, knowledgeful day educational adventure where we are building a real life castle. And trust me, it's going to be as amazing as it I am saying to you sounds, okay, as it sounds. As you know, guys, this is my third last video, third last educational video of today on Cinema channel on 5 January 2025. Let's start it, okay? This video is just for educational purpose only. First off, let's talk about education. You might think building a castle is just for fairy tales, but it's a fantastic way to learn about architecture, engineering, and even history. It is right or not? This topic is right or not? Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts about it. we are going we are going to explore the different styles of castles, from medieval fortresses to whimsical fairy tale designs. Each brick we lay will tell a story, and every tower will have its own unique flair. Now let's get into the adventure part. We are not just constructing any old building, we are creating a magical space where dreams come true. Picture, we will gather our friends and family to help us out. Together we will make a comment, stack stones, and what is okay, everyone's know stones meaning, but someone's not now. Okay, so must tell me the meanings of stack stones in the comments, and differently stack of stones. Okay, tell me in the comments three meanings differently. Okay, if you know, otherwise you can ask every questions to me, I will answer you. And even paint vibrant murals on the walls. It's going to be a massive team effort filled with laughter, creativity, and maybe a few friendly competitions. Who can build the tallest tower? But wait, there is more. We will document every step of this incredible journey, from the initial sketches to the final touches. You will see how teamwork and imagination can bring a vision to life. And guess what? We will share tips along the way about day projects you can do in your own backyard. Okay, get ready to unleash your inner architect in the comments. Okay, come here. Let's keep this conversation. This architecture, architecting in the going in the comments. And subscribe and join me on this unforgettable adventure. Means subscribe my channel. Building a real life castle in the middle of a forest is not just about bricks and mortar, it's about friendship, fun, and learning something new every day. Let's make some magic together. Who is in? Come here in the comments.